Hey guys, this is Rudy for Best Investor coming at you live from Palm Beach, Florida. A number of people have connected with me and asked me how we should go about exercising our warrants. I personally believe it's probably a little too early to exercise the warrants, but I thought I'd put together a quick video just to sort of show you how this would work. And maybe what I'll do just to kick it off with, I'm going to share my screen over here and I'll take myself out of the picture. And this is from Investor Relations. Hi, Rudy. It's nice to hear from you, blah, blah, blah. What is the process to exercise my warrants? The main line here is if you hold warrants through a brokerage account, a bank or financial institution, you are thus a holder in street name. You should contact your broker, your bank, or other intermediary for information on how to exercise your warrants. I'm going to assume for the sake of this discussion that none of you are direct registration holders, which means you don't need to connect with Equinity Trust Company, who is the transfer agent of Occidental Petroleum. So we're not going to do that. We are going to show you a quick video on how you would go about exercising your warrants and making sure you understand what it is that you are doing when you elect to exercise those warrants. So guys, just that one, it's going to be a quick video, and I'll see you on the other side. This is what you came for. Guys, this is Mr. Oxy coming at you from Palm Beach in Florida. And I thought to make a quick video on Occidental because it's time for many of you to start thinking about how I can exercise my Occidental warrants. Today is January the 14th. It is Thursday. We just saw Occidental spike in the last couple of hours or so to $24.19 on the New York Stock Exchange, which means your options are basically in the money. So let's take a look at what you can do if you wanted to exercise these warrants. The first thing that you need to basically do is understand how warrants work. What I did here is just very briefly as a summary. I'm saying stock warrants are like call options. They provide the holder the right, but not an obligation, to buy shares of a company at a specific price. The strike price, of course, for Occidental warrants is $22. Unlike a listed option, warrants are issued by the company instead of by an option writer. So the warrants were issued by Occidental Petroleum. If you hold warrants, you will probably enjoy your current position that you have on the Occidental warrants, because we can see just today it is trading at well over $10 per warrant, and it's up 12% as I am making this video on January the 14th, Thursday afternoon. If you want to exercise your warrants, then obviously you want to do that when the current stock price is above the price of the warrant. The strike price of the warrants is $22, so as soon as your stock price goes above $22, you can exercise your warrants. Alternatively, you could just elect to sell your warrants and keep the profit, keep the change. Because obviously you're going to make a lot of profit if you just exercise the warrants. If the stock price is below the strike price, it makes no sense to exercise the option, since it's cheaper to buy the stock on the stock market. So for those of you who've been following my videos on Occidental, you will know that some time back, about a month or so ago, I actually sold my my warrants because I plugged in a 10% trailing stop to protect my gain. The warrants went down more than 10%. It executed the order for me. I sold out. But then what I did at the very same time is I purchased Occidental's stock at $18.25. So arguably I exercised my warrants early and just exchanged the warrants for cash and used that cash as a discount against the stock that I was buying in Occidental Petroleum, which at that point in time was trading at $18.25. So basically today you have three choices. Firstly, you can do nothing and just watch the warrants go up, and maybe some more up. Otherwise, you can exercise your warrants and use the warrants to purchase Occidental at $22 per share. Or otherwise, what you can do is just sell the warrants and take the profit. Now, when you have your strike price of Occidental, which we know is $22, and Occidental is currently trading at $24, it's beneficial to exercise your warrants, but not necessarily recommended, because what if Oxy dropped 10% tomorrow and drops below $22 again? And because that's unpredictable, you might not want to necessarily exercise your warrants right away, although it is in the money. The exercise warrant process is kind of easy. The easiest way to do it is to do it through your brokerage account. Your brokerage account, even if it's an online broker, will have to handle the paperwork and correspond with OXY on your behalf. Warrants are currently in your trading account. You could probably find them under the ticker symbol OXY+, OXY-WT, OXY.WS, etc. You need to contact your broker online and tell them that you want to exercise your warrants, and you need to say how many, because you don't have to sell them all. So if you just wanted to exercise some of your warrants, you have the opportunity to do that too. Your broker will then contact Occidental on your behalf, and if you successfully exercise, Occidental will issue stock. The warrants will disappear from your brokerage account and be replaced by OXY common stock. Do note that your broker will probably charge you a fee for this service, because brokers typically charge fees if they need to do any work. I went to one of my online accounts to see if I can give you a screenshot, and unfortunately I can't really give you a screenshot because I need to contact them. So in this particular instance, I went to TD Ameritrade and asked them online, and Ted said to exercise a right or a warrant by email, fill in your name, select the reorganization and dividends from the menu, select participation offer under inquire about, then select the rights warrant, exercise under offer type, request within 2 blah blah blah. So basically what they're saying is contact us and we will take care of it for you. So in other words, this is not something where you could just go online, click a few buttons, and you've exercised your options. You will need to connect with your broker. A couple of notes, a couple of things just to keep in mind. Exercising warrants is dilutive to existing shareholders, because when warrants are exercised, Occidental will issue new shares, which will increase the total number of shares outstanding. Warrants are frequently based on a ratio that's chosen by the company. That ratio could be anything. For example, every 5 warrants buys you 1 share. It's good to know that for Occidental, the stock exercise ratio is 1-to-1. For every warrant you have, you will be able to buy 1 share of Occidental common for $22. As I said earlier, you could, of course, just simply select to sell your warrants, and that will generate a taxable gain. So guys, that's a quick video from me. Occidental is currently trading at greater than $22 per share. So great job, us. Do remember, if you have not done so yet, to subscribe to the channel if you like my content. And I look forward to your comments in the comments, and learn what it is that you're going to do with your Occidental warrants in the event that you still own them. So on that note, this is Rudy saying thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Click subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.